Well, a month before the heavy rain lashed Chennai, the Indian Met Department had forecast a very wet northeast monsoon, providing necessary strategic advice for planners. NDTV's science editor Pallav Bagla brings you the details.
Chennai underwater, people stranded on roofs while no one can stop nature. Could the state have been better prepared if they had just read this forecast made 1.5 months ago? Behind me is the India Meteorological Department, and it may come as a surprise, but a month before these heavy rains in Chennai and Tamil Nadu, the India Meteorological Department had actually issued a long-range forecast where it said that the Tamil Nadu and the Peninsula region will have excess rain this year. Warning of 112% above normal rainfall in Tamil Nadu. So far, Chennai has got 89% above normal rainfall. In fact, the warning was even worse than what we are currently seeing. Was Chennai adequately prepared? The Met Department head in Delhi says his job is limited to forecasts, not planning for consequences.
Excess rainfall was predicted. Preparation in the context of long-range forecast, I would say, and with a very fair assessment of mine, it doesn't really, it gives only in terms of strategic planning. Whereas when any disaster occurs because of extreme events, you better go for tactical planning.
According to experts, 2015 being an El Nino year, there was an expectation that the northeast monsoon would be above normal. El Nino is partially to blame for the excess rain. In El Nino years, northeast monsoon fares better. Cyclone forecasts have proved crucial in helping governments evacuate people in sensitive areas. Does the same emergency model now need to be in place for very heavy rainfall events as well? Is a question experts are asking. With camera person Sudhir in New Delhi, Pallav Bagla for NDTV.